Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In the last video, I showed you how to create a Spotify account, and we did that using a Google account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into a Spotify account after you've created it, or log into an existing Spotify account. Now, if you do not have the Spotify application on your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV already, you could watch the tutorials I have on this YouTube channel. There are a lot of tutorials with various methods showing how to download apps and install apps on your Android TVs, TV box, or any device running Android operating system. So click on the Spotify app to get in, and you'll be greeted with this page saying sign up for free or log in. Obviously, you have the account already. You've created an account, or you want to log into an existing account. So click on the login button, and you can use continue with Google. If you used an email, you can use continue with email, but I have this account already created with the Google. So I said continue with Google, and I chose a Google account. Now, given this a few seconds, you see this open up, and right here I have my home, search, library, access to premium, and there you go. If you found this insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.